Heat rising, diesel growling, ironclad in the hayfield. Blast, boots sink deep in the dirt packed grass. Tractor roars low with a steel jaw bite. I'm a hayfield ironclad built for the fight. Sweat rolls heavy down a sunburned spine. Dust kicks up like a warning sign. Every bale stacked is a battle I take, pushing through the heat till the whole field shakes. Ripping through hay like an outlaw machine. Sweat drips fire in the midday sheen. Diesel in my lungs, rage in my veins. Southern metal thunder in the heat and the strain. This field don't care about the bones I crack. I stand, I grind, I never slack. Hayfield ironclad forged in grit. If the sun swings first, I swing back at it. I swing back at it. Cicadas scream like a blown out amp. Sky burns red like a wildfire camp. Hayden eyes flash in the midday glare. I'm a dirt road bruiser with a bit on stare. Boots stomp hard through the dust and heat. Heart keeps time with the double kick beat. Every bale thrown is a rebel's vow. A metal fuel promise carved in sweat right now. Ripping through hay like an outlaw machine. Sweat drips fire in the midday sheen. Diesel in my lungs, rage in my veins. Southern metal thunder in the heat and the strain. This field don't care about the bones I crack. I stand, I grind, I never slack. Hayfield ironclad forged in grit. If the sun swings first, I swing back at it. I swing back at it. Sky bleeds red as the daylight fades. Still stacking bales in the shadowed shades. Hands torn open, grit in my teeth. Each still stalking from the world beneath. Crack one open, let the dust fall slow. Outlaw heartbeat starting to glow. Hayfield ironclad forged in flame. Southern metal running through my name. Dust in my lungs, fire in my soul. Working this land on outlaw control. Sun goes down, but I stay loud. A dirt road rebel standing unbowed. Hayfield ironclad, grit on my face.